What's going on, guys?
Carter.
And we are about to start a series called Cooking with
Carter.
All right. So a lot of you guys know I'm a single parent. I'm a single parent of an autistic child, but he is beautiful on the inside and the outside, and he just amazes me. So I'll say with autism, a lot of the typical things that they exhibit is repetitiveness and eating the same things and stuff like that. So my son is he loves to eat like his daddy. You know, I've got a high metabolism. He probably gets it from me, right? Yeah. So what do you want to eat?
Sandwich.
He wants a sandwich. So we're gonna do a sandwich. And lately he's been liking roast beef sandwiches, but Daddy has to throw in some variety. I have to switch things up for him. So we're gonna get you that. Come over here. Tell everyone what kind of sandwich are you gonna eat?
Roast beef.
Roast beef, but Daddy's gonna put a twist on it. What is Daddy gonna do to it?
Cook.
We're gonna cook it. We basically gonna make a cheesesteak, and you could say poor man's cheesesteak or whatever. But like I said, variety is something different. You want to get your children, whether they're on the spectrum or not, you want to get them to try different things. So he's been eating roast beef sandwiches, cold roast beef sandwiches, right? So I switched it up, and yeah, I know. And I switched it up, and he enjoys it. So I was like, let's do a video so that we can hopefully maybe encourage other parents or caretakers or families with someone on the spectrum to try different things. I'm in the mindset of I'll try something. If it don't work, well, I'll try something else. So y'all hang on. I'm going to show you how we do Carter's roast beef sandwich. Carter, come here. Hurry. We're on film. Come on, hurry. So you want a cold roast beef sandwich?
Hot roast beef.
Okay, hot roast beef. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Go ahead and get the materials. Materials, the ingredients. Get the ingredients. Yeah, roast beef. Yeah. So I got some boar's head roast beef with the cap off. Not that much flavor. I like the London broil. Tomatoes, okay. Dad's gonna have to cut some more tomatoes. Onions. My boy loves onions, so we're gonna throw in some onions in there. Purple onion. Cheese. We got some. What kind of cheese we got? All right, guys. I'm just showing you the ingredients, and I'm gonna cut everything up off camera. This is what we have. We got our meat. My son likes onions. He loves jalapenos. I could have used fresh jalapenos. I got some back there, but he wanted pickled jalapenos. I'm gonna chop all this up and cook it together. The cheese will be thrown on last. You ready to do it?
Yes.
Let's cut up the meat and the onions and the jalapenos. So Carter, let's tell everyone our ingredients. So what do we have right here?
Tomatoes, spinach.
Yeah, that's kind of like a
spinach.
It's a spring mix, salad mix.
Spring.
What's this right here?
Roast beef.
Roast beef, and what else?
Jalapenos and onions.
And onions. It's already been chopped up, and we're getting ready to throw it in the skillet. And we got
cheese, crunch cheese.
Cheddar cheese, Vermont cheddar. And then we got our bread, and then Carter likes mayonnaise or Miracle Whip, and he loves spicy mustard. He likes a lot of spicy stuff. And we're gonna season our pan with grapeseed oil just a little bit. So we won't stick. We got salt and pepper. That's what he loves. I know everyone's worrying about this. This is a jackfruit. We'll probably be doing a video on that. So are you ready to do it? Hey, one thing I would like to say to you people. If you do have children and you want to get them involved in the kitchen and helping out and create that independence. He's laughing. Create that independence of them being independent. Have them help out. So what I'm going to do. Let me see if I got my skillet a little warmed up. Carter, we have to be very careful, okay? Because that is hot. Yeah. Boiling water is hot. He said bubbles. I said no. Yeah, it's bubbles, all right. It's boiling. So back up. So can you grab the steak? Grab the steak. There we go. There we go. And we're gonna put it in the pan. Okay. Swipe it in with your hand. There you go. Rub it all in the pan. You got it all off the plate? You got it? Let's see. Get it all off. You got it? All right, now put the plate in the sink. And we gotta wash our hands. So, like I said, create independence. Let them help out a little bit, and they may be more inclined to. I don't want to say be independent, but they're more inclined to enjoy something that they've had help with, right?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna cook. We'll come back. So this is the finished product. Keep in mind, anytime I do this, I make enough for 2 sandwiches because he always asks. How many sandwiches you always ask for?
2.
2 sandwiches. So I always make enough for 2 sandwiches. There's nothing for me to throw cheese on that one. It's in the skillet. I have removed it from the heat. Obviously, it's still gonna cook a little bit, so you can remove it out of the skillet, place it in a plate, and have another sandwich fairly easy, fairly quickly. All right, you ready to do it? Go ahead and put your greens on there. You got your baby spinach and your baby it's like arugula in there and stuff like that. Don't be scared. Put it on there. Go and put your lettuce on there. More. There you go. Grab more. He's real particular. If I do it, look, let Daddy help you. Look, it's a sandwich, son. It's all going to one place. You're gonna eat it real good. You like lettuce. He actually likes spinach more than he likes anything. So go and grab like some slices of tomato.
1.
How many tomatoes you want?
5.
5. I don't know about 5. Let's put them like that so we can get more.
2. 3.
3 is good.
4.
No, 3 is good because we're gonna use the other for your other sandwich. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, like I said, he had mayo and spicy mustard, so we're gonna fold it over.
What's fold?
We'll do that off camera and then I'll cut it. So there we go. I've got it. Carter kind of has his favorite plate. He loves green. If you guys and girls didn't know that already, but I put it on another plate for presentation purposes, and there you have it. Sort of poor man's steak and cheese. It's actually roast beef. Are we done? What else do we need?
Chips.
Chips. Get your chips. While he get these chips, word from our sponsors. Who am I kidding? We have no sponsors. Go ahead. Those are your chips. Go ahead. You want more than that, I hope so. Put them up there, buddy. You've been crunching them up. Let me see the bag. Let me help you. Part of little sour cream and onion. Oh. Now what?
Eat. Put track.
Okay.
I love you too.
I love you more.
Daddy.
Okay.
100% Daddy.
What's on 100%?
It's ready.
What's ready?
100.
What's 100?
It's charger.
You talking about what?
It's talk about your iPad.
I'm talking about iPad. Let's eat first. Take your food.
That was
Are you gonna drink water? 2 hands. And then lean in. In small bites. How is it?
Yeah.
Is it a little good or a lot good?
Good.
Alright. Say thanks for watching. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Sidebar, real quick. I wanted to mention this just in case. As you've seen, I let Carter put the meat inside the skillet. Now, some people may think my child can't do that, such and such, such. But the reason why I added this clip in, because I want to say, you want to encourage independence in all forms, no matter how big or how small. If that child or person is capable. Now, my son knows about the stove, as most children find out the hard way. And what's the best way that he'll know that the stove is hot? Yes, because in the past, the stove has been on and he's came and touched the top and he'll say hot, or I'll encourage him to say, hey, that's hot, don't touch. So he knows, as you guys notice, I had boiling water here, so I just made sure he was careful. Now, like I said, encourage independence in all forms, no matter how big or how small. Even if your child can't do, per se, what Carter was displaying, even if it's helping you, encouraging them to get the ingredients out the refrigerator. If they can't do that, maybe take the plate to the table. If they can't do that, just think about it. It's simple, but you don't know what will work unless you try. So I just want to put that out there. Even if it's like getting rid of the plate, I'm gonna tell you about that. A few years ago, I used to have Carter. I started off by letting him, when he's done with his food, to throw all the leftovers or anything that he wasn't gonna eat in the trash. I can tell you how many forks and plates I picked out the trash, and I had to explain to him, you don't throw away these plates. They're the glass plates. Paper plates, that's totally different. And utensils, metal utensils go in the sink. Plastic utensils go in the trash. Right? You done eating that sandwich? Okay. So, sidebar, like I said, don't think, hey, my child is unable to do that. Start off small. Have them get the ingredients. Or even if you have to open the refrigerator and give them the ingredients, say, hey, come place this over here for me. But have them watching and involved as much as possible. We want to create that independence, and we want them to eventually be self-independent, self-sufficient, and also you want them to learn from you, and you can learn from them. Thanks, guys.